stiff wear, stiff wear.
Cause I'm icy, wifey, haters wanna fight me. Never been the one get RP up on a white tee. Keep my hands clean, got some hitters moving shiesty. Ask me if I'm rolling with some Gucci, bitch, I might be. It's very unlikely, my wrist ain't looking icy. Charging by the minute, cause my time is very pricey. Bougie when I'm broke, so I'm bougie.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Ashanty's Journey. If you're watching this video, stay to the end so you can see that transformation between my braids to my curly hair. Before we get into the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, click on that little bell notification so you can be alerted when I post videos, like and comment. Now let's get into the video. Before we get into the video, unfortunately I can't bring you guys into the shower just because of how my shower is set up. So I'll just be showing you the products that I'll be using in the shower before I take off my braids. So the shampoo that I use is from Shea Moisture Low Porosity Protein Free Shampoo. If you're wondering what low porosity is, it's basically my hair is resistant to moisture, so it's kind of tricky for my hair to stay moisturized. But I moisturize my hair by deep conditioning with a hooded dryer so my roots can open up so it can suck in that moisture into my roots and into the rest of my hair. So this shampoo has
that oh no,
anti-tree oils, and this comes in a bundle. So right after this comes with the low porosity, conditioner. And so these are both work wonders together.
And this really, it works so good to detangle my hair. It works right through. I can put my fingers through it, and I have a lot of hair and it's thick, so this works wonders.
Also with the Shea Moisture bundles comes with this leave-in detangler. I use it before styling my hair. I put it through my hair and I detangle a little bit before I go and style my curls, so this works good. And
I know I'm running out, so as a backup I use this to detangle my hair, the silicone mix. It's a hair treatment. I usually do treatments with this, but I'm gonna spice up my wash day. It detangles my hair, and it's a hair treatment to restore the health, shine, and the softness of dry, damaged, and weak hair. So yeah, so I'll be using this as my detangler. And since I said I'm gonna spice up my wash day, I'm gonna be using this product from Aunt Jackie's. It's a Cocoa Repair Coconut Cream Deep Conditioner. It delivers nutrient to the hair shaft to stop damage and breakage for natural coils and waves, enriched with coconut oil and avocado. Repair beyond compare. Aunt Jackie's conditioning treatment blends coconut oil with avocado, mango, and flax seeds to help repair damage, stop breakage, soften, shine, and hydrate dry, brittle hair. And also, this works for all types of hair. It says it here in the back, it's especially good for 2C through 4C textures. So if you have type 2 hair, type 3 hair, type 4 hair,
this works out, and I'll be giving a review. This video isn't sponsored, but from me you'll get a review to see how this works, and since it's for curls and coils, and I have both.
Before I style my hair, I'll be putting this oil throughout my hair. It's from the Main Choice. It's the Asian Egyptian Anti-Breakage and Repair Antidote Oil. This has a lot of oils, and it's infused with biotin and vitamin C and D oil. So it's not only going to grow my hair, it provides vitamin C and D, which is really good for your hair. It's very beneficial. And oil is just a good way to moisturize your hair, especially your ends, and you guys will see that. Another product from the Main Choice is this butter. Doesn't get much better than this daily hair dressing. I put this in my hair before styling as well. I just put it throughout my hair. It adds shine and luster, softens, moisturizes, and nourishes. And to define my curls, I use this bad boy. I absolutely love this product. It works so good alone. Like, I don't need a gel, but I do put gel in my hair just a little bit, so my curls can be even more defined. But this does wonders. It's the Jane Carter Solution Curl Defining Cream. It works really good. It's a bit on the pricey side, but I recommend, and it works for curly and coily hair, and I have both, which works great. To define my curls as well, I use the Lotta body, coconut, and shea oils. Moisturize Me Curl and Style Make It defines curls, tames frizz, add moisture and brilliant shine for all hair types. So this works great to defining my curls and keeping it from getting so frizzy and stuff.
So yeah guys, that's about it. Let's get into the video. I'm gonna be cutting off my braids. But before I do that, let me just model because I love these braids so much. They look so good. I had these braids in since March 16, and I'm pretty sure we're in, I think, let's see the date, it's May 17th. So I had these braids in for 3 months, and I don't keep in my braids for more than 3 months, so it's time to take them off. And literally, like, my hair, like all of this is hair from my braid. Like, it came out. Anyhow, yeah, I just love these braids. Let's just model real quick. Let's model.
Stiff wear, sis. Stiff wear.
So I'm gonna start cutting off my braids with these scissors. Look at that, I got pigtails. Anyhow, these scissors are like not working out for these braids. It's like hard to cut them. So I cut this already. Not cutting, like I'm literally struggling. Okay guys, so I managed cutting my braids thanks to these scissors. The orange ones were not working out, so let's just start taking off these braids. Hey guys, as you can see, I'm starting to take off my braids. When I'm done taking out my braids, you're gonna see the results of my hair after I take off my braids. So just keep on watching this video to the end so you can see the results of my braids to my curly hair. For now, I'm just gonna keep on taking my braids, and I'll come back to show you guys how they look right after I'm done. I just finished taking off my braids. It's currently almost midnight, and it took so long because I did it all by myself. I had a lot of hair. I had a lot of braids. Yeah guys, so this is my hair.
It definitely grew. I definitely have some new growth, and this is all gonna shrink up when I wash it.
Hey guys, so I washed my hair. I let it dry for like, well, some parts are dry. Maybe it's been an hour. Maybe it's been an hour. Who knows? But I let my hair dry a bit. So just so you guys can see my curls without definition. Instead, I will give you guys a review about this. This worked really good for my hair. It gave me a lot of slip. It worked really good. I deep conditioned with the hooded dry, so it opened up my roots. It gave me moisture. My hair is not dry. It feels really good. And now I'm just gonna go style my hair, and I'm gonna put some oil around my hair. I'm just gonna literally pour some in my hand and just go over it, and I'm gonna start defining my curls. And I'll be using the Jane Carter solution with the Lotta body to prevent frizziness and to define my curls. So yeah, let's get to it. So I break my hair into sections, and since it's drying a bit, I just wet it. Ooh. Okay, I wet it. I use the lock method, which is liquid, oil, and cream. It's just the method that I use to define my curls. So I wet it. I put some oil on next. Distribute it between my hair from my roots to my ends. Rub it in, make sure it's all in there.
Guys, shrinkage is so disrespectful. But yeah, and now I'm gonna start defining my curls. So I work in small sections.
I can't do a big section like this just because I have a lot of thick hair.
Hi guys, as you see, I used the cream and I put it through my hair like this. I rake through it and I just take my time and define each curl as I go, as you see here.
Hey guys, so I finished defining my curls.
I have 3C on top of my hair, as you see right there, and everywhere else I have 4A type curls all over in the back, as you see me shaking it.
Shrinkage is so disrespectful. Like, do you see that? But yeah, my hair is drying right now. There's a lot of wet parts. Obviously my hair is wet. My hair is white from the cream, and it'll dry up. Like, this part is drying up. That's why you don't see so much white parts on this side, unlike this side. But yeah, this was my wash and go. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, like and comment. Don't forget to subscribe. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day, and stay tuned into my next video. Bye.